In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore and back up your email list in Mailchimp. Keeping a backup of your email list is absolutely essential for maintaining the integrity of your marketing efforts. It ensures that, should anything go awry, you'll have all your subscriber information safe and sound, ready to be restored at a moment's notice. To kick things off, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp and log in using your credentials. It should take just a moment to input your username and password, and then you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Once you're comfortably in the dashboard, your next step is to locate and click on the Audience tab. This section is crucial because it holds all the details about your valuable contacts. Now once you're in the Audience area, you'll want to click on the option that says All Contacts. It's like opening a door to a room full of your entire mailing community, and this is where you can manage and select your audience. If you have been running multiple campaigns, it's possible that you might have more than one audience. In this case, you'll need to determine which specific audience you want to back up. Simply choose the audience you'd like to keep secure, and you're ready for the next move. Once you've selected your audience, it's time to find the button that says Export Audience. With a click, you'll set in motion the process of transferring all your audience details into a format that's safe for storage. Mailchimp will then work its magic and generate a downloadable .zip file. This file will contain your audience data neatly organized in a CSV format, which is ideal for a wide variety of uses and can be opened in programs like Excel or Google Sheets. After the export process is finished, you're going to want to head to the Analytics section and click on Reports. This will ensure you have a comprehensive record of all your analytics data. Then locate the Download All Reports option and generate export. Mailchimp will notify you once the reports are ready for download. Finally, once everything has been processed, save these precious CSV files to your device. It's a simple but crucial step to ensure that all the effort you've put into building and maintaining your email list doesn't go to waste. And there you have it. Backing up your email list ensures that your data is protected, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, nurturing relationships with your audience and growing your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide on restoring and backing up your email list in Mailchimp both informative and easy to follow.